Good day everyone! Here again with me, Hulaimah Tsamrah Elrahmah. Today, I will invite you all to take a walk to a beautiful bridge in Java, Indonesia. This bridge connects two islands, Java and Madura. That is Suramadu Bridge. Suramadu is the abbreviation of Surabaya and Madura. Why does the abbreviation contain two names of this city? This happens because the bridge starts from Surabaya and ends in Madura. This bridge connects Surabaya City and Madura Island, more correctly, Bangkalan City. According to eastjava.com, this bridge started to be built on August 2003 and was inaugurated by Megawati Soekarno-Putri as the President of Indonesia at that time. And the opening of Suramadu was inaugurated by President Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono on June 2009. Suramadu Bridge is the longest bridge in Indonesia with 5,438 meters of length. Before the existence of this bridge, Javanese people who wanted to go to Madura or vice versa had to cross the Madura Strait using a ferry, which took almost an hour. Now, we can pass it only in 5 until 10 minutes. Reporting from daihatsu.co.id, the architect of the Suramadu Bridge is Professor Sudiotomo. Initially, the idea of building a bridge that long was intended to make inter-island transportation smooth. Besides the main function of Suramadu Bridge, there are also the indirect benefits or the secondary benefits of the Suramadu Bridge. This is a dynamic that arises and is a secondary effect including, first, an increase in population will stimulate an increase in the demand for goods and services. Furthermore, including, first, an increase in population will stimulate an increase in demand for goods and services. Furthermore, it will stimulate increased economic activity. Business development. First, an increase in population will stimulate an increase in the demand for goods and services. Furthermore, it will stimulate increased economic activity, business development in the agricultural. First, an increase in population will stimulate an increase in demand for goods and services. Furthermore, it will stimulate increased economic activity, business development in agricultural, industrial, trade, service sectors, and increase the flow of goods enter Madura. Second, increasing demand for residential areas and infrastructure. Third, increase community welfare. At the beginning of inauguration, the Suramadu Bridge was indeed devoted to the minimum speed of 4-wheel vehicles, because the road on the bridge was a toll road concept, so that the two-wheeled motorcycle, could not pass. However, the government then revised the regulation so that two-wheeled motorcycle could cross it with a different toll rate, of course, which was only 3,000 rupiah. Then, during Joko Widodo's presidency in 2018, this tariff was abolished, so we can cross the bridge for free. The, the Suramadu Bridge consists of three parts, namely the causeway, approach bridge, and the main bridge. Well, because many people are interested in capturing the moment at the Suramadu Bridge, as of May 2017, the festival was held for the first time around the Suramadu Bridge area, friends. There are various events at the festival, ranging from sporting events such as marathon, arts, culture, to culinary delights, thus attracting a lot of public interest from around the bridge outside the city. The government hopes that the holding of the festival in the Suramadu Bridge area will be a driving force for the Madurai's economy in the tourism sector. How is it? Are you interested in visiting Madura with this bridge access? Come on, hurry up, and you won't be disappointed with the view. Moreover, we can get it. For free, unlike taking a ferry, which is not only paid but also take longer time. Nah, that is a little information about the bridge connecting the two islands. The Suramadu Bridge. This is enough news for today. Me, Hulaimah Tsamrah Elrahmah from G Class TV, say goodbye to my resignation. Have a good day, everyone!